Hello, this is Dave from the Big Easy Catering Company in Santa Barbara, California for ExpertVillage.com. Today we're going to show you how to purchase the chocolate fountain, how to put it together, how to make this a really enjoyable experience for everybody at the table. Until recently, this has not been available for everybody except for rentals, which are very expensive, and it had to be professionally put together. Now you can do it for yourself at home, and we'll show you how to do this. This is a chocolate fountain from Costco. A chocolate fountain is like a fondue, except for it cascades over the canopies, warm chocolate, and you can dip all of your different types of tidbits into it.